Pippa loves doctors and nurses. Pippa loves doctors and nurses. It was people who helped us day at playground, and everyone was excited. Now, children, began Madame Gazelle. Today we have two very special visitors. They are both people who help us. Is one the queen? Asked Peppa. Is one my auntie? Asked Rebecca Rabbit. Dinosaur? Asked George. Three wonderful guesses, said Madame Gazelle, but the people coming to see us today are Dr. Brown Bear and Nurse Fox. Hooray! Cheers the children, jumping up and down. They love Dr. Brown Bear and Nurse Fox. When I hurt my leg, I had to go to the hospital, said Pablo Pony. Dr. Brown Bear and Nurse Fox look after me. When I was feeling poorly, said Peppa, Dr. Brown Bear made me all better. Just then there was a noise from outside. The children ran to the window. Madame Gazelle, it's Dr. Brown and Nurse Fox. Good morning, everyone, said Dr. Brown Bear. Today, Nurse Fox and I are going to talk to you about keeping fit and staying healthy. Let's start by going over to the playground and getting our bodies moving. Yippee! Cheers the children. They love moving around outside. Dr. Brown Bear and Nurse Fox had built an obstacle course. To keep fit healthy, we must move our bodies every day, said Dr. Bear. Madame Gazelle will show us all how it's done. The children watched in amazement as Madame Gazelle completed the obstacle course perfectly. Ta-da! She cried. Now, it's your turn, children, said Dr. Brown Bear. Ready, steady, go! Pippa and her friends set off. Crawl, they swung. Hoop, slide, skip, and jump around. This is so much fun, isn't it, Susie? Cheered Pippa, but as she turned to Susie, Pippa forgot to look where she was going and fell on her bottom. Oops, cried Pippa. Stop. Nurse Fox came straight over. Are you all right? She said. I think so, said Pippa. Good, said Nurse Fox, checking that Pippa was not hurt. You can carry on now, Pippa, but please be careful. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me, said Peppa. Peppa loved the obstacle course. This is my favorite bet, she cried, jumping high and landing in a big muddy puddle. I'm not sure that's part of the course, Peppa, said Madame Gazelle, smiling. Splosh! Snack time! called Nurse Fox. Hooray! cheered the children. Don't forget to wash your hands before you eat, said Nurse Fox. All the children went to wash their hands. Peppa and Rebecca sang the wash your hands song. Wash our hands, wash them nice and clean. Bubbly, scrubbly, bubbly. Wash them nice and clean. Eating healthy food helps us stay fit and strong, said Dr. Brown Bear as he tried to open his snack box. This seems to be stuck. Nurse Fox, could you help me, please? Nurse Fox came over and opened the box easily. Nurse Fox gasped Peppa, you must eat lots of healthy food to be that strong. Everyone laughed. Peppa and her friends loved snack time. Yummy! They cried. Keeping fit and strong was delicious. You've done such a good job today, children, said Dr. Brown Bear. When they finished, I'm going to give you all a sticker. Hooray! Cheered the children. They love stickers too. Madame Gazelle brought out the dressing up box. It's time for you to be the doctors and the nurses now, children, she said. Peppa and her friends had lots of fun dressing. Dr. Brown Bear, said Peppa, the doctor. You must keep fit and stay healthy too. Of course, he replied. The children took Dr. Brown Bear outside and told him to go around and around the obstacle course. One more time, cried Peppa to Doctor. Okay, Puff, how's Puff this? Gasped Dr. Brown Bear. When he was allowed to stop, he looked quite tired. Dr. Brown Bear doesn't look very well, said Peppa the doctor. I think he needs a plaster. And bandages, add Nurse Danny Dog. And more bandages, add Nurse Sushi. Now he needs a sticker, said Peppa the doctor. All the little doctors and nurses cover Miss Dr. Brown Bear in stickers. Thank you for being a helpful doctor, said Dr. Brown Bear. He was covered in many bandages. He could not move. What a patient he was. What do we say to our visitors? Asked Madame Gazelle. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. Thank you, Nurse Fox. Cheered the children, giving them a big clap. Peppa loves doctors and nurses. Everyone loves doctors and nurses. The end. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Bye.